Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect UE Megaboom to TV, quick fix step by step clearly. First, ensure your UE Megaboom is fully charged. Next, turn on your UE Megaboom by pressing the power button. Check that your TV is powered on and the volume is up. Locate the Bluetooth settings on your TV. This may be found under settings or audio depending on your TV model. Select Bluetooth from the options available. Now, put your UE Megaboom into pairing mode. You can do this by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button until you hear a sound. Your UE Megaboom should now start searching for devices. On your TV, look for available devices in the Bluetooth menu. Wait for your UE Megaboom to appear on the screen. Select your UE Megaboom from the list of available devices. Confirm the pairing if prompted on your TV. Wait for the confirmation sound from the UE Megaboom indicating a successful connection. Adjust the volume on both the TV and the UE Megaboom to your liking. Test the connection by playing audio from your TV. If you hear sound through the UE Megaboom, the connection was successful. If you encounter issues, try restarting both the UE Megaboom and the TV. Repeat the pairing process if necessary. Enjoy your audio experience with your UE Megaboom connected to your TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.